All right, I wanted to do this video to talk about how to use a coupon on Freename to buy a domain name. Now on Freename, you can buy TLDs, which means you're going to own things like .voice or .usa NFT or .wave. And a domain name is when you own a digital identity or a Web3 domain name, NFT, that is something to the left of the dot and something to the right of the dot. And one of the most popular top-level domain names that people are buying domain names in is .metaverse. So I was looking around and I heard a lot of stuff today about things that are happening in 2025, conferences and things like that. So I thought I'd go for Web 2025.metaverse. So that way, that could be either my social media handle. I can use it in smart contracts. I can use it in applications or whatever other joint ventures that Freename builds down the road. And so what I'm registering now is a domain name. I don't own .metaverse, but I'll own Web 2025.metaverse. I pay $10 as a one-time charge with no renewals. So I'll go ahead and add that to my account. So you already have to have an account on Freename, which is free to open. And then once you have an account, it gets added in there and you put it in your cart and then you go to checkout. And what I'll do here, because I listened to the Clubhouse talk today, I can put in my Clubhouse coupon code, and then it's really important that you hit apply, and that'll go ahead and make my total now 0 because the previous price was $10, but I'm using the Clubhouse coupon. So I'll go ahead and agree to my terms, and then instead of them asking for a payment method, they'll say nothing to worry about, this one's on the house. So it gives you a chance to get used to the system, buy a domain name, and right now I'm using a $10 coupon because I listened to the Clubhouse talk. And so now no charges is due. I'll hit my complete payment. Payment completed. So now I've got this domain name in my portfolio. And so now when I go to my portfolio and I click domains, it'll show that I own Web 2025.metaverse. I'd also bought going to the .moon and to the .moon. I hope this has been helpful.